Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I have a friend visiting today. This is River.
Hello.
She just moved to Costa Rica, but I met her at the Fluid Art Experience in Seattle, so we've known each other for a little while, and I have a new painting buddy. So we're going to do two paintings today. We're each going to do one, and we're going to do the exact same color, same technique, and we're going to do a cloudy blowout. So let me take you down to the canvas, and we'll get started. Okay, here we go. So for our base coat, we have some leftovers mixed with some chroma acryl white. It's very gray, but there's a little bit of metallics in there too. You can see that the consistency is fairly thick. It does leave a mound on a mound, but it disappears fairly quickly. So this is probably a medium consistency, which is going to be great for the technique that we're doing. So that gray we're both going to use for our base coat, and then we're going to put a nice large pillow of our cloud mix, and this is chroma acryl white and DecoArt satin enamels, equal amounts of each of those with twice as much pouring medium. This is a color that I just got from my friend Kelly from Feral Art. This is Black Garnet from Rust-Oleum, and it is a gorgeous color. I can't wait to use this in here. I'm interested to see if we're going to get some cells in this color. Again, it's the same consistency as all of the other paints. This is Amsterdam Lamp Black. This is Jo Sonja Pale Gold. This is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, also called QNAG. And then, since we're all doing very neutral tones, we went with a green gray from Liquitex Basics. And so I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to go first, and then River's going to do hers second. So I'm going to put a nice big puddle, in fact this whole cup down of the gray. And then I'm going to tilt it out a little bit just to spread it out a little before we blow it out. As I spin, when you're spinning out a canvas that's not square, the centrifugal force will take the paint this way first before it takes it this way. So you need to make sure that you're covering this space more than you are this. So it's important to kind of stretch to the thinner side. We're about to add a lot more paint, but it's important to stretch this way than it would be this way. Okay. So now we've got a base coat down, we're going to put down a nice healthy amount of our cloud mix. And then we get to decide what order to put our colors. I think I want to put a little bit of the black first, and I'm just going to drizzle it. We've got gray is our base, and that's going to come up when we blow, so we don't need a lot of that, but I like to have a really strong contrast, and that's what that black is giving me. And then I think I'm going to go with the QNAG next. Just give us a nice warm orange tone when we blow that out. And let's put that black garnet next. Oh, that is so pretty. We got a from River also. We're both really loving that color.
It's like spontaneous utterance.
Yes, exactly. Should we put that? Let's put the gray green next, and I'm going to end with the gold. And I'm going to put this in a stripe right down the middle like that. And then I'm going to put the gold on top of that. There we go. It's amazing how white this is going to end up being, even having all of the colors. Did I use all the colors? I think I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, okay. I feel like I want to put down a little more base coat here around. Never hurts to use a little too much. We can spin it off, but I like to have, I'd rather have too much paint than not enough. But I want to leave some for River too. Okay. that back in the center. We're gonna pick up our hairdryer, and I will probably put some music on for you now.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine. Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Too many times I've been drifting away. Like a shadow in the sun, having fun, then I shift in a pale. Too many times I've been drifting away. Like a shadow in the sun, having fun, then I shift in a pale. Let's keep the fire burning, baby, till I'm coming home. Then maybe I won't have the need to let the engine run. 'Cause in the morning, in the night, maybe we can hold each other tight. We can keep the fire burning for a while, babe. Keep it wild. Too many times I've been drifting away. Keep it like a shadow in the sun, having fun, then I shift in a pale. Keep the fire burning.
It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see. It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see. It's gonna be a fine day today for you and me. It's gonna be a fine day today, just wait and see. Blue skies everywhere, believe you me. It's gonna be a fine day today for you and me. Oh, now baby, I know I've done you wrong. I only meant trouble for so long. But baby, all that crazy is on the bus. And today it's gonna be a good day for us. Oh! Whoa. Now, baby, I know I've done you wrong. I only meant trouble for so long. But baby, all that crazy is on the bus. And today it's gonna be a fine day for us. 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 Now, baby, I swear today will be a fine day for us. Oh, I said, baby, I swear today will be a fine day for us.
All right, so here is the wet result, and I'm really happy with both of these. I think they're beautiful. I left my reading glasses over there, so I can't really see what I'm looking at, but let me take you in for some details. The one thing I like about the Jo Sonja Pale Gold is it doesn't sell up. So if you want a nice pop of that gold flash, but you don't necessarily want gold cells, that's why I reach for the Jo Sonja. I really love the details in this. That cloud mix puffs up beautifully. And I love that we used that green gray. But the star of the show is that black garnet. It's gorgeous. I love it. Some little pops of the quinacridone coming up too. Really happy with that. Okay, so River, walk us through yours.
Oh, I thought you were going to narrate.
So what would you like to point out about yours?
Well, as we talked about, mine's a little more chaotic because I ended up blowing twice to move all that gold around that I had poured.
Yeah.
But I love it.
I love it too.
I love the way the colors play together.
Totally.
And
again, that black garnet is just gorgeous in there. Yeah, you got a little more blending because you ended up blowing a lot of it out twice. But I love the chaos of it. It's beautiful. I love that gold center. We were talking about it looks like a bat there in the center. I think that's cool. And mine kind of has the same kind of pattern. I love it. So let's see if we can get them both in frame. So there they are. Let me show them to you when they're dry next.